tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Graffiti on the walls paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Street lights flicker on this endless trail. Each corner whispers a hero fail. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveil. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Streetlights flicker on this endless trail. Each corner whispers a hero or fail. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveil. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Line nice and slow. Ooh, yeah. Talk box singing, let the rhythm flow. Palm trees swaying, do you feel that breeze? Rolling down the boulevard, feeling at ease. Cruising, moving on that west coast ride. Say barbecue flames and the ocean tide. Just what we do. Chillin' at the cookout, grab a plate. Got ribs, got wings, I just can't wait. Talk smack with the homies, laugh till we cry. And the beat still bumps as the sun says goodbye. Now throw your hands up if you feel this breeze. Come on. West Coast vibing got you weak in the knees. Low riders bouncing with the funk turn high. Under neon skies, man, we're feeling fly. Cruising, grooving on that West Coast ride. Say barbecue flames and the ocean tide. Let me hear ya. Catch your vibe, keep it alive. So real, so true. This laid back life's just what we do. Full moon shining, streets come alive. sleeping in your soul. Rolling down the boulevard, sun hitting my shades. Riding low and slow, this vibe never fades. What's up? Palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight glow. West Coast rhythm, let the good times flow. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. Double Dutch beats bumping, trunk ride smooth. Neighbors nodding heads, they catching the groove. That's right. Chrome rims spinning, reflections of dreams on these West Coast streets. Nothing's what it seems.
Static hum invades my veins marrow. Lights flicker, shadows stretch narrow. Hands move distorted in the blurred pain. Echoes of silence driving me insane. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray.
Broken glass falling like teardrops. A forgotten map where time stops. Grinding gears where dreams collapse.